Before this tree falls down, we should make a little movie of it. Been watching it for 12 years here. It's Jeffrey pine, ponderosa pine if you like, and the whole inside of the tree has been burnt out, probably by a lightning strike, and it's kind of hard to capture it with one shot. You can stand inside here, still see where it's been burnt, and you can stand inside and just look way up the trunk, and that's what the tree's like. It seems pretty much all the way up. So a miracle of survival, and one day obviously it won't survive, but it looks pretty healthy. And it's in a place we got a lot of storm clouds building today, so possibly it'll get struck when we come back from it here. We're at the Padre Kino campsite in the San Pedro Marte, or the ex-campsite. It's now a day-use site, but there's the other side of the tree, and you can see it's hollowed out at that point. And as you go higher up the tree, it's kind of a bit hard to see because I'm looking right into the sun. You can see the evidence of the lightning strike, but that's a miracle of survival, that amazing tree.